guys know, little details can make a big difference. That holds true for those tiny little changes that are made at the auto plants too. Case in point, the heater core in your GM first generation F-body. I'm Dave, and in this video we're going to show you how to select the right heater core for your 1967 to 69 Camaro or Firebird. And it's a little trickier than you might think. Sometime in 1968, in the midst of its run of popular first generation F-bodies, GM made a largely unnoticed change to the heater cores on its small block powered Camaros and Firebirds. They essentially switched from a 2.5 inch thick core to a thinner 2-inch core. No big deal, right? Well, at the time, maybe not. But decades later, as owners of these popular classics look to replace the original heater cores or the clips that hold them in place, it's created a lot of confusion and caused unnecessary product returns. Here's what you need to know. The 1967 Camaro used a 2.5 inch heater core. 1969 to 81 Camaros used a 2-inch heater core. Depending on the month and location of production, the 1968 Camaro used either a 2.5 inch or newer 2-inch thick heater core. So what does that mean for you? If you're ordering a new heater core for your small block powered 1968 F-body, you need to confirm which heater core you have. Again, the core size was switched during the middle of production for the 1968 model year, so the best way to confirm is by measuring the thickness of your core before ordering a replacement. We'd also recommend you measure and confirm the thickness of your heater core if you own a small block powered 1967. After all, 50 years is a long time, and you never know if someone may have already replaced the core with the newer, thinner design. Finally, if you're putting together a car from scratch, we suggest you use the thinner 1969 heater core along with the reproduction clips that are available. Keep in mind, reproduction clips for the thicker 2.5 inch core are not available. If you're replacing the entire heater core, you can find replacements for both sizes. No problem there. However, if you need to swap out the clips for new reproduction clips, you won't be able to find any for the earlier model 2.5 inch cores found on the 1967 and some 1968 models. Following these steps will make the installation of your new reproduction heater core a seamless process. Thanks for watching.